Hello, boys and girls. It is Miss Gilbert, and I'm coming today to you to talk to you guys about some math. Now, we're going to do a math game. I'm going to give you a daily challenge, and we're just going to get our math brains thinking today, okay? So we're going to start out with a little bit of addition. Now, we have been spending a lot of time on addition, so today will be our last day on addition problems. Now, we might come and revisit them just to make sure that we continue to remember how to do addition problems, but we are very soon going to be moving into some subtraction. All right, so today you're going to need your notebook. You're going to need something to write with. Later, you're going to need a deck of cards, and you might want to use your 10 frame and some items to count with. Okay, so let's start out with our our number problem today. So I want you to write in your notebook this equation, okay? It says 2 plus 3 equals blank. Let's look at that equation right there. I bet some of you already know it just like that, don't you? And that's wonderful, and you can go ahead and write your answer right here. Maybe some of us need to think of another way to solve it though. We could draw a picture to match it. We could draw 2 items and then 3 items and then write our total. Now, you know the plus sign means we're putting things together. So what is 2 and 3 when we put it together? How many would you have? Okay, so I'm going to let you solve this equation in your notebook, and then I'm going to give you another one, okay? All right, this one says 4 plus blank equals 6. So if I already have 4 of something, how many more would I need if I wanted to have 6? Think about it like this. Maybe your neighbor that you've been outside playing with, maybe they gave you 4 M&Ms, but you really wanted 6 M&Ms. How many more could you ask for so you would have a total of 6? Or maybe you have 4 cars and you want 6 to finish the race. So how many more do you need to go back and get out of your bedroom? All right, now some of you may not know the answer to this because it's a little trickier. What I would do is I would either draw out 6 items, and you could circle a group of 4 of those, and the other number would be how many was still there. That would be your other part of your equation. You could also make it on your 10 frame. Now you know that you want a total of 6. So what I would do is you would take 6 of your counting tools. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so you have 6 items on your 10 frame. Now it tells me my first number is a 4. So I could make these 1, 2, 3, 4 represent the first part of my equation. 4 butterflies and how many flowers? Okay, show me your thinking in your notebook today. Either draw a picture to show that and circle your 2 groups, or just write your answer if you already know what the answer is. Okay, I'm going to give you one more. Blank plus 1 equals 4. Okay, and you can solve that equation the same way as you did those other 2 up there. So in your notebook, you should have 3 equations that you are going to show your teacher either on the comments or send a video of it, a picture or something so they can see your work that you've been doing. All right, so I'm just going to move this out of the way. And I'm fixing to give you a challenge. I'm fixing to get your brain to start thinking really good. You ready? All right. Now, these are called quick images, and I usually do them on my little paddle board, but today I have some cards. And your cards have these little dots all over them. And we have to figure out how many's on there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the first one. I'm just going to show it to you real quick. Then I'm going to turn it over, and you have to tell me how many is on there. You can write it down in your notebook, okay? All right, so get ready. All right, here's your first one. Do you know how many is on there? Did you see so many on the top and then so many on the bottom? Or did you see some on this side and some on this side? Let me show you one more time, okay? And I want you to write this down in your notebook. You could draw a picture of what it looked like, or you could just write the number, the total. Okay, I'm gonna show you two more. Let's put that one out of the way so we don't do it again. Okay, here's your next one. You ready? So remember to look, how many's on top? How many's on bottom? Or there's so many on this side and so many on this side? Or do you see a pattern? All right, here we go. What if I turned it this way? Would your answer change? Okay, can you draw that in your notebook and tell me how many you see? All right, and then your last one, you ready? All right. If you're not sure how many that was and you're still having trouble, you can go back and look at it for just another second on the video, okay? All right, before I get through though, I'm gonna show you guys how to play a game today, okay? So you're gonna need a deck of cards, and I just use these cards I have at my house. You can use any kind that you want, but you only need these numbers. You only need 1 through 9. So get somebody to help you and sort your cards out so only you have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's what I've done. I've just sorted mine out like this. Okay, and we're gonna play a game called Go Fish, Make 10. Okay, so we're gonna be making pairs of 10. Some of you may need to use your 10 frame and your counters to help you decide how many you need to make 10. So what you do is you and your partner both get 5 cards. So I'm gonna have them face down, and I'm gonna give both of us 5 cards. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the rest of them I just put in the middle, okay? So you're gonna hold your cards up and you're gonna look. Is there any 2 that if I put them together, would they make 10? How many more do I need if I want 10 and I have 6? If you're not sure, put 6 on your 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many would I ask my partner if they have? I would say, do you have a number? Let's see, how many more do I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have a number 4? And so my partner would look at his cards or her cards. And do you see a number 4 right there? So that my partner has to give me their number 4 because I'm going to use my 6 and I made a pair that makes 10. So I'm just going to lay it out in front of me like this. And then my partner will get a turn. But before you do that though, I want you to look at my cards again. Did you see any other pair that made 10? I do. Does 1 and 7 make 10? Let's see, 7 and 1 more is 7, 8. Nope. 7 and 7 can't make 10, that's too many. Do you think 7 and 3 make 10? Build it on your 10 frame and find out. If it does make 10, then you're gonna take those cards and you're gonna set them down because it made a pair. And you're just gonna keep playing, taking turns with your partner to see if they have a number that you need. All right? So if they say, sorry, I don't, then you have to draw a card, okay, out of the draw pile. And you and your partner are gonna keep playing and making groups of 10 until you run out of cards. Whoever has the most pair at the end is the winner. So play that game with your family. It's called Go Fish, Make 10. Also, before I leave, I want to give you a challenge for today. I want you this week to go outside and I want you to find me 5 rocks, and I want you to find me 4 leaves. 5 rocks and 4 leaves. And then I want you to record that in your math journal of how many things you found total. You can write an equation or draw a picture. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.